Good morning, everyone. Our first topic is merging documents. There may be situations where multiple users edit the same document. That is, more than one user work on a shared document and do some changes in the same document. In such cases, it would be easy that all the changes made by all the users can be seen at once so that the decisions can be taken properly. It also is easy when all these changes are seen together rather than going on each file one by one and reviewing each change. So, here the merging documents feature is quite useful. Using merging document feature, all the changes made in different files can be seen in a single file. That is, all the changes made by different users in their different files would be merged together at a single place so that they can be reviewed and accepted or rejected easily.
Now, suppose I have two documents. This is marks.ods in which certain marks are there. I had changed certain marks and these changes are marked by this red boundary. I had made one copy of this file and saved as marksnew.ods. In this file also I had done some changes and these changes are marked by these red boundary. So I have two files, marks and marks new. In both the files I have made certain changes. Now suppose there is a condition when these two persons are working in the same file. Now we have to review these changes. Now it is very difficult to review these changes because there are some changes made in the first file and some in the other file. In such cases we can merge these two documents. Because the number of columns and the name of the columns are same, we can merge these two files. If we merge these two files, the changes which are made in both of them would be seen in a single place, that is in the merged document. So what would happen after merging? These two documents, that is marks.ods and marksnew.ods would be merged. That means the changes which are made in these two files would be made and would be brought into a single place so that it would be easy for reviewing and accepting or rejecting these changes. Now let's see how to do this merging of the documents. Suppose this is my first file marks.ods. Now I had to go on the edit tab. In the edit tab I would go to changes. In the changes last option is merge document. I would click on merge document. When I click on merge document, a open dialog box would open. This is an open dialog box. From here I have to select the path of the second document where I want to merge. The second document is marksnew.ods. So I would select this file from here and click on open. Now you can see the changes of both the files are seen here in the marks.ods. See, all the changes are now brought to one place. The changes of this file, the changes of this file. Now there is a accept or reject changes box also. Now all the changes are seen here. Using this accept or reject changes, we can accept these changes which are in both the files or we can reject. This accept or reject changes contain all the changes of both the files. See, it is clearly given here that in the contain, that is pt1c3, that is this data, the value is changed from 2 to 20. In this case author is same. If two different authors are working on two different files, the author name would change. So it would be clearly understood who had made the changes. So all the changes are here. We can just accept these changes or reject these changes. Suppose I reject the first change, that is from 2 to 20. As soon as I reject, you can see the original value, that is 2, came here. Now the next is the value from 14 to 40, that is this one. So I would accept this, so it would remain 40 only. The third changes from 33 to 30. Again I would accept, it would become 33 to 30. Next is from 55 to 50. As soon as I reject, it comes to its original value, that is 55. This way we can accept or reject these changes one by one. One thing you might have observed that there is a plus sign at a single value here. That is in the value of the content of E7. E7, that means this one. The reason behind this is this value is changed by both the reviewers. It is changed in marks.ods also and in the marks new.ods also. When I click on this, you can see the value is original value is 26. It has been changed to 60 by one of the reviewer, and by other reviewer it has been changed to 66. You can see it in the comment section also. Original value is 26, change value is 60, and another change value is 66. Whichever you want to keep, you can keep, or even you can reject this change also. Suppose I want to keep this 60, so I would click on 60 and accept. So this value has changed to 60. In this way, one by one we can accept or reject these changes, because this file contains the merged changes of both the files. So all the changes which were done in different files can be merged and seen together at a single place, and from this single place we can accept or reject the changes. So this way merging of documents is done in OpenOffice Calc.
Next topic is compare changes. Sometimes when working with the shared documents, the users may forget to record the changes they make. That is, they forget to on the recording of the changes. In this case, the Calc has a facility to compare the documents. To compare the documents, we have to get the original document and one document which is being edited. So, if we have both the document, that is the original document in which there are no changes and the document which have all the changes made. If we have these two files, we can easily compare the two documents using the Compare Changes feature of OpenOffice Calc. After comparing the changes would be marked in the original document, and we can accept and reject the changes here.
Now I have two files, marks.ods and marksnew.ods. I had not recorded the changes in any of the file, but I have done some changes in marksnew.ods. Now I want to compare my marks.ods, that is my original file, with the new file marksnew.ods. Means this is my original file, that is marks.ods, and I had done some changes in marksnew.ods, but I had not recorded the changes. Now how would I know which changes are being done? In my case, although the number of records are 5, so it is easy for me to switch from one file to another and see the changes. But in some cases, the number of records may go to hundreds or thousands. Then in such cases, it would be very difficult for me to switch between the two files and compare the changes. In such cases, the use of this Compare Changes feature of OpenOffice Calc is very useful. Let's see how to use it. Suppose this is my file marks.ods. Now I want to compare the changes made in the marksnew.ods. So first I would open my file marks.ods. Then I would go on the Edit tab. On the Edit tab there is an option Compare Document. I would click on this Compare Document. When I click on Compare Document, if any recording mode is being open in this file, it would ask to exit. I would click on yes. Clicking on yes would exit from the recording mode of the file. Now it opens the open dialog box. I had to give the name of the file with whom I want to compare this file. So I want to compare with marksnew.ods. So I had selected here marksnew.ods. Then I will click on Open. Now as soon as I click on Open, you can see these red boundaries here. These are the changes between this file and the my marksnew.ods file. So you can see these are the changes which are in the new file marksnew.ods. Although I had not recorded the changes, but when we compare the two files, these changes are being shown like this. All the changes are shown with this red boundary. Along with that, the comments would also appear. It also has comments which shows which change is done and what was the change. So when I hover my mouse, the comment is shown here. So this way we can compare the two files and the changes would be shown to me here. It also opens the accept or reject changes dialog box, this one. It contains and it lists all the changes which are being done, and from here we can accept or reject these changes. So this way we can compare the two files, find out the changes and accept or reject these changes.